Here I have Samsung Galaxy A8 2018 and let me show you how to use the battery saver mode on the following device. So at the very beginning let me show you how to quickly get access to the battery saver. Let's use the upper bar twice and here let's tap on power saving. As you can see here you can apply the medium power saving by using apply key right here. The device is making some restrictions to save some power and now you can use this mode. As you can see the icon of power saving pops up right here. If you would like to get access to the settings connected to a battery saver, let's use the list of all applications, choose settings. Then you need to choose device maintenance, tap battery, and here you've got a couple of useful information, for example the battery usage right here. And you may also go back and use one of the following power saving mode. So you can simply quit off the power saving, you can choose medium power saving, I'm using the medium right now, or you can choose the maximum power saving. Let me show you how the maximum power saving looks like. Let's tap apply, and this mode has a lot of restrictions. It's decrease brightness, limit the speed, and disable some features such as the always on display, and you can only use a couple of applications. So let me show you. This is the maximum power saving mode, so here you can use only the phone, messaging, Chrome and settings. If you would like to quit this mode, let's use the more key in that corner and choose turn off maximum power saving. The device is now returning to a normal mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And maximum power saving is disabled. Now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.